When we would call up and say, hey, I need a site survey at 123 Main Street, Washington, D.C., a lot of times the concert reps that we would deal with, they would almost instantaneously pull it up and they would say, I tell you what, this is what you're looking at. Well, how the heck do you know? You haven't been out there. And I said, oh yeah, we've been out there. We have a pretty good inventory of what's out there and what's not. Just telling you right up front, you're looking at a nightmare or you're looking at, we can pretty much do that and I can tell you what it's going to cost. I don't even need to do a site survey. One of the things, you know, that's good in my eyes about concert was we had dedicated concert representatives and project managers for different departments. So you were pretty much dealing with the same people, you know, over the years and years and years. They were very good at keeping their records and documentation, and a lot of times when something would fail, sometimes they could sit there and spot where the most vulnerable area was based upon the original site survey and installation, and these things were noted by the installation technician or the person who did the site survey, whatever the case may be. So yes, that documentation that they have was very helpful. Helpful to us and of course helpful to concert, provided they're the ones that went out there and did the repair. So it's great to know, and you know, being able to do that phone site survey, that eliminates a lot of time. Be able to get pricing out quicker, get solutions out back to the customer, telling them exactly what's going to be done, so forth, and just being able to go to the customer with that, you know, as opposed to sending somebody out almost every time. Company I did work for, whenever they would do a survey, whether it be physical or not, 99% of the times it was physical. We can't get out there to site survey, to do a site survey at that customer site for another week. Well, concert might be able to do it by the end of the day by calling a person up. You're saving time, you're saving money, saving headaches for the customer. Everything nowadays is, I want it now. So documentation, that's half the game. In sight, it must be right. You know, if I can pull up pictures, I can pull up PDF files, diagrams, whatever the case may be, of what is out there, the concert people can get a whole lot better idea when they do call the customer and ask them to go look, or they do send a technician out there to do a site survey. Yeah, it's definitely beneficial.